Are you a graduate?
Yes, of course.
You're a graduate. You know the way you look short. I don't see. Which school are you? Which school do you go?
University of Nigeria.
University of Nigeria Face. Is it?
University of Nigeria.
University of Nigeria. That is UNN. Is it UNN?
Yes, sir.
University of Nigeria is UNN?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Which course did you go? Which course do you do?
Igbo linguistics.
Who won the minist's course?
Igbo linguistics.
Is it what?
Igbo linguistics.
I don't know the problem of these church members. It say what?
Igbo linguistics.
Igbo limited.
Linguistics. Linguistics.
I can never say what I don't know again. Please, anybody that know what is talking, speak louder.
She said Igbo linguistic.
Hey! The grammar is too long. Igbo linguistic. Which one is Igbo linguistic?
The study of language.
Discussion of who?
The study of Igbo language. The study of language, both English and Igbo.
Study of
the English language and the Igbo language.
Hey! Is it why you go to school to study Igbo and English? You spend all the whole time in school. Are you a graduate?